Hey everybody, Levi here, RCT&D. Today I am out here again with the Traxxas Sledge. And she's got a couple of tricks up her sleeve this time. First run with the Fireteam Tires on here with the M2C plus 6.5mm extension hubs all the way around. Wheel nuts just look absolutely amazing on there. They stick out. We also have the M2C lower hinge pins throughout this whole thing. That's it for upgrades on this thing. So this thing's pretty close to stock. Did go ahead and clean my body off. Got the M2C sticker on there. Subscribe to the channel. By the way, we're back out here at the church again. Gonna do some sends with the Fireteam Tires. This is what I've been talking about doing in the last episode. So yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna test these things out, see how they do, see how the handling is better with the 6.5mm extension hubs from M2C. Put a link to those down below, and look at this beauty right here. Brand new ramp. Well, not brand new, this is actually the same one, but fixed up, rebuilt. Brand new sheet of plywood on there. The last time you saw it like split in two. We have a whole bunch of reinforcing down in there, give it a lot of extra strength. Got some wheels on here too, because it is a little bit heavier, and I have to, roll it all the way back here, because I was all the way beyond that snow mountain up there, all the way up there. It's really nice out in the upper 40s. Let's see what she's got, guys. Let's see how these Fireteam tires work. I would imagine steering would be a little easier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these tires feel great. Oh yeah, steering is definitely a lot better because they are more narrow. Get a little warmed up. Whoa. Holy smokes. That echo sounded like a gunshot. Holy cow. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. What happened here? We brake. Looks like a screw came out there. It actually happened right on the workbench. That just fell out. Oh my gosh, how did all that mud get in there, dude? Fortunately, I do not have another screw. So, that sucks. Alright guys, it's about an hour later. I've been trying to find that screw for a long time, and I had to figure out why it was coming out. Long story short, the spacers were flopped, causing not enough thread for the screw to go through. Nothing was stripped. I thought it was stripped at first, but it turns out the screw actually goes in through a nut. I was not able to find the screw, but after digging through my toolbox, I was able to find one that worked in there. So we'll have to see how many more sends we can get in before this thing wants to be a freaking pain in the ass again. Oh my gosh, dude, the echo. Oh my gosh, you guys can't hear that on camera, but the echo is freaking crazy. Oh my gosh, it's hungry. That is some soft grass, man. Good grief, come on. Gosh. Unplugged. Oh man, dude, the echoes are freaking insane. It sounds like gunshot. Holy cow. Well guys, chassis starting to get a little bit bent. That was close. Guys, there's so much freaking mud caked down there. course it lands upside down. Nice save. Never would have gotten that backflip. Well, now I don't hear a ESC fan. And unplugged again. Man, guys, now this thing's taking a freaking beating. These tires are hooking up great too. They just don't backflip very well. Maybe that's because I'm going full throttle. Chassis definitely bent. I could see it. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Ah. Monkey metal gear teeth in there. Ah, man. Oh. Well, there you go. There you have it. I was able to finally destroy that gear. Oh yeah, look at all the teeth down in there. Oh. Yep, oh yeah, there's nothing left on that gear. Stupid monkey metal gears, but man, oh man, guys. Those were some gnarly sends there. Chassis, definitely, I can see it from here. Definitely got a little bend in there. Looks like that screw popped out again up there. So here's I think I definitely have more M4 screws at home, but my gosh, that was a brutal bash right there. That was an awesome bash. Well, guys, that was a great test of the M2C plus 6.5mm extension hubs on there and Fireteam tires. I found that they don't backflip very easily. That is probably just because we are going full throttle. When you hit a ramp at full throttle, your wheels are already spinning at pretty much full speed, so then you can't really speed up anymore. Look at that. That's just free rolling. Oh man, now the wind's kicking up. The ramp held up to that pretty good. Looks like we got some little scratches and scuffs on it there. Well, that's good. That's good. Well, guys, that was an awesome bash session with the Traxxas Sledge. I'm gonna have to get a new gear on there. Maybe get an upgrade gear. If you guys, sorry about the wind. I'll try and stand behind it. If you guys know about any upgrade gears, maybe Vitavan, potato, if they make gears for it, or Horizon Hot, whoever, Hot Racing, anybody, if you guys know any good upgrade for these gears, please let me know down in the comments, because yeah, I don't think I want to put another stock one. I need something that's better than that, because it ain't gonna take my cents, those them stock screws. But rest of the truck took a freaking pounding. Pretty impressed with it. Body's a little smashed up there, but big shout out to M2C. Subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.